To set up alarm clock on iPhone 17 Pro Max, you will have to just open the app library. There we go, and go for the clock application. Now go for alarm and click on the plus in the right upper corner. Now, as you can see, when you are here, we can set a time by swiping up and down. We can also set repeat, for example, every Wednesday or Saturday and Sunday also, like you want. Now we can set a label, and here we can pick a sound. So over here we can pick a song, you can get the default ringtones, you can download something from Tone Store, and you can also turn on and off the vibrations, or you can change the vibration pattern. Now below we can turn on or turn off alarm snooze, and you can change the snooze duration. Now click here on the right upper corner to apply this alarm. And as you can see over here, we can quickly turn it on and off, so we don't have to delete this alarm when you want to get rid of it. But also we can create a multiple alarms if you want. And that's pretty much it. I hope you find it useful.